Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Dewalt USB Charging Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any modern tradesperson or DIY enthusiast, offering unparalleled convenience and reliability when you're away from a traditional power source. This kit ensures your essential devices, from smartphones and tablets to power tool batteries, stay charged and ready for action, no matter how remote your worksite or how long your project runs. It's a game changer for productivity and staying connected when it matters most, transforming how you manage power on the go. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max 10 Tool Cordless Combo Kit. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max 10 Tool Combo Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with power and precision. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to easily maneuver it into tight spaces. The variable speed trigger offers precise control for delicate work. Changing blades is a breeze with the keyless clamp, ensuring quick and safe transitions. This feature makes your workflow more efficient. Illuminate your workspace with the included LED work light for improved visibility. It also offers hands-free operation, keeping your focus on the job. Experience superior comfort and control with its optimized rubber overmolded grip. This design ensures balance and reduces fatigue during extended use. The quick change wheel release allows for effortless, tool-free wheel changes. No more fumbling for wrenches, just seamless adjustments. Enjoy the convenience of a wireless Bluetooth speaker that runs off the same battery packs. Plus, dual cleanup modes with a nozzle and hose handle debris removal effectively. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for professionals and DIYers. If you need a comprehensive set of tools for various tasks, this kit offers unmatched versatility and convenience. It's perfect for tackling big projects where having the right tool at hand is crucial. What people say. The Dewalt USB Charging Kit is a great addition to my tool bag, allowing me to charge my phone and other devices on the go. It's incredibly convenient to have a reliable power source when I'm out in the field, especially when there are no outlets available. The charging speed is impressive, and it holds a charge for a long time, making it a dependable tool for keeping my electronics powered up. Number 4. Dewalt Heavy Duty USB-C Cable. Introducing the Dewalt Heavy Duty USB-C Cable, built for durability and performance. This premium braided nylon cable ensures a reliable connection every time. Experience high-speed charging and syncing with this advanced cable. It carries significantly more power for rapid charging and efficient data transferring. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of devices. It's perfect for your iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and LG smartphones. Crafted with premium braided nylon, this cable is exceptionally durable. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting use. At 4 feet long, it offers the perfect reach for charging your devices. Enjoy the convenience of a cable that's not too short, not too long. This cable features a sleek black finish that complements any device. It's as stylish as it is functional. What we like. For those who demand reliable and quick charging for their modern devices, this cable is a must-have. If you're tired of slow charging speeds and flimsy cables, this heavy-duty option ensures your phone stays powered up and data transfers are swift. It's ideal for users with the latest smartphones and tablets. What people say. The Dewalt USB Charging Kit is a versatile tool that allows you to charge your devices on the go using your existing Dewalt 18V or 20V batteries. It features multiple USB ports, including a USB-A and a USB-C port, providing compatibility with a wide range of electronic devices. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and it's built with durable materials for long-lasting use. Number 3. Dewalt Heavy Duty NeverBlock USB Charger. Tired of chargers blocking your other outlets? This innovative USB charger features angled ports, ensuring you can always use every socket, even in tight spaces. Get your devices powered up quickly. With fast charging ports delivering 2.4 amps, you can rapidly charge your phone while you work or play. Maximize your charging time by powering up multiple devices simultaneously. Its dual ports provide independent power to each connected gadget. Don't let awkward or hard-to-reach outlets go to waste. Its compact design makes it ideal for even the most challenging power socket locations. This charger is built to withstand daily use. Its durable, rugged exterior and heavy-duty construction ensure it stands up to wear and tear. What we like. This charger is designed for maximum outlet efficiency and speed. If you often find yourself struggling with bulky chargers blocking other outlets, or need to quickly power up multiple devices, this is the perfect solution. Its compact, foldable design makes it great for travel and tight spaces. What people say. The charger is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges devices quickly and efficiently, even multiple devices at once. The built-in LED indicator shows the charging status, which is convenient. Number 2. Dewalt Heavy-Duty 10,000 mAh Portable Charger. Introducing the Dewalt Heavy-Duty Portable Charger, your reliable power solution on the go. It's built to withstand tough conditions, making it perfect for any environment. Don't let the elements stop you. This power bank is rated IP67 for dust and water resistance, ensuring it stays protected when the port cover is securely closed. Keep all your essential devices powered up. With Type-C PD and Quick Charge USB-A ports, it rapidly charges your iPhone and tablet, providing 10,000 mAh of power. Take power wherever you go. The integrated utility carabiner loop attaches easily to your work belt, hooks, or lanyards for ultimate convenience. Always know your power status. Convenient charge indication LEDs let you easily monitor the battery life and charging progress. Built to last, its durable, rugged exterior is designed to withstand repeated wear and tear. This charger is your dependable companion for your Apple, Android, or Samsung smartphone. What we like. When you're on the go and need dependable power, this portable charger is your best bet. If you work in demanding environments or travel frequently and require a rugged, water-resistant power source for your devices, this power bank is built to last. Its high capacity ensures you stay connected longer. What people say. The charger is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It charges my devices quickly and efficiently, even when using multiple ports. The built-in LED indicator light clearly shows the charging status. Number 1. DCB 1044 Port Dewalt Battery Charger. Power up your workflow by charging up to 4 Dewalt batteries at the same time. With a robust 3A output per port and universal voltage compatibility, it ensures all your batteries are ready when you are. Plus, integrated USB and Type-C ports keep your essential devices powered up on any job. This charger is designed to work seamlessly with all your Dewalt 12V and 20V Max batteries, including FlexVolt models. It supports a wide range of battery types, ensuring all your Dewalt power tools are always ready for action. Your batteries and devices are protected with our advanced 6-layer safety system. It includes protection against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, overtemperature, and overcharging, with automatic shut-off for complete peace of mind. Stay informed with the intuitive LED status hub. It clearly indicates charging progress, full charge, or any potential issues like overheating or abnormal batteries, so you always know the status at a glance. Keep your workspace tidy with the wall mounting option, freeing up valuable bench space. Its foldable handle also ensures easy portability, making it convenient for both home and professional job site use. This single charger is the perfect solution for managing your entire Dewalt tool ecosystem. It's ideal for both on-site professionals and workshop enthusiasts, providing reliable power whenever you need it. What we like. This charging station is a game changer for anyone with multiple Dewalt batteries. If you're a professional who relies on a constant supply of charged tools, this allows you to power up 4 batteries simultaneously, minimizing downtime. It's also perfect for home workshops to keep your entire tool ecosystem ready. What people say. The charger works with all my Dewalt batteries. It charges my 20V battery in about 30 minutes. It has a USB port to charge my phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.